Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka barit but hila ban layu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riwe kandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan
Ringkat lang bagi perthai barok kuwe ke National Service Scheme Cell jong ke North Eastern Hill University kalaraki ke International Yoga Day na ke jingshim mentalang jong volunteer ke NSS na hinyo tuli ke jela jong ni ke tahan stay lamingi ke jing pelong yang ni ke jing rakhi ha North Eastern Hill University kalaya takhuru bagi North Eastern NSS Festival Arja Apulai Kidan laispa arpusan ngut volunteer na Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, bat Sikkim ki balai shipmenta hakani kesingi la sakhi langdu MP ke Lok Sabha uba Vincent H Pala ubala longkum kongsan ringkat ke jingdon lang jo Vice Chancellor ke School ba Nehu u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla bat kiwe
करीब आपकी 100 प्रकार की सर दर्द होता है जितना भी आप दवा खा लो जितना भी डॉक्टर दिखा लो 2-3 बार और करो चलो आराम करो
So you don't need money to build your character, you don't need to build your discipline, you don't need money to study, you don't need many things, you don't need money. But at the same time, for marketing, at the same time for anything which you want to, for study, or you need money. They exploited the world. I do agree with you. They exploited the world. You've seen like climate change, for example. Just an example. Like they have produce millions of trillions of maybe of carbon dioxide, and today for the last so many years, for the last 300-400 years, they have started the factories, they have started so many things. But today they told us, oh, okay, the world is in a problem, climate change is there, so you countries like India, China, other countries, we should control. When they have developed themselves and now they want to control us. So in a sense, it's difficult for us to develop until unless we work very hard. So I do agree with you that exploitation. At the same time, also there's an opportunity. At the same time, there's an opportunity. Like we learn a lot from them also. We cannot deny the facts that we learn a lot from them also. I've been to almost all the countries in the world, be it America, be it China. I've seen how the people have the ethics of people. For example, in terms of works. When they say work for 4 hours, they work for 4 hours. It's not like us sometimes, we work for we get a payment of 4 hours, but we work only for 30-40 minutes, then we rest, then another hour, then we rest. So, but where in the West, be it in Europe, be it in China, be it in other countries, the ethics, that the work culture, they are very strong. So I think that thing you should learn from them. At the same time, I think morality is very important. Of course, definitely morality is more important than money.